awesome. Oh, look at this, man. I love this bike.
It's like so fast because they actually used.
I've seen this, yeah. Mr. Marlboro Kid with the what's the number.
Do yourself a favor. If you've never ridden this bike, just go out and rent one. You got the crew in full effect. Look at that. Hey, buddy. What's going on? There you go. Okay. He wants to hang out on the bike. Here you go. There you go. Indie Ridge gloves, Beyond Riders gear, Indie Ridge boots. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got another great video for you. We got a large crew going out, bikes and breakfast. You're not going to want to miss this one. I'm getting ready to go nice and early. I've got Airwolf today, Indie Ridge gloves, Beyond Riders gear, Indie Ridge boots. I'm ready to roll. Let's go. Alright. It's getting nice and comfortable here with my gloves. Should see a nice sunrise in a little bit here. Actually, it came up already. Just sort of hiding behind the scenes here. So yeah, we've got another big turnout plan for today. It is Labor Day weekend, and of course everyone is trying to maximize as much riding season as we can, especially here in the Northeast. Although we ride all winter long here on the Fly and Ride channel. And if you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel we do just about everything. All motorcycles, flying drones, group rides, destination rides, product upgrades, product reviews, you name it, we do it here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Almost at 4,000 subscribers. Of course, the goal is to continue to grow the channel. I bring videos to you minimum one time a week. Have been doing it for about 2 years. And I've got, well, with this video, over 300 videos uploaded to my channel. So make sure you go check out that library. Lots of content there on my 2020 Streetlight CVO, which is the star of the show, and of course what you see here, my 2022 BMW R1250 GS. So it's 67 degrees now. It's supposed to go up to 90 today, or just about 90, about 89. So I've got my box behind there. This is coming off later on today because this is going to get warm. Taking out my Easy Pass. I don't know about you, but I don't like having it anywhere on the bike. So this makes it nice and easy for me. All right, let's get on the highway. Let's punch it. Effortless. This bike is so much fun. Let's just cruise at 90. Why not? I am nice and early, 15 minutes early actually, to be exact. I wanted to gas up. I want to park it right here this time. Oh yeah. Just what I promised. Beautiful sunrise. Alright, I'm going to wait here for the crew, and then we're going to roll out. Let's go. We got George in his Triumph back there. And then we got Manny, two of his friends. So today, Mr. Holy Shift has got a surprise for us. So you're going to see it a little bit later on in this video. So again, you're going to want to stick around. Mr. Cycle Fanatics is going to be over there. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Check out that sun, man. Woo! So you can see his vest there. I don't know if you can see it. So Manny rides with the Blue Knights of New Jersey Motorcycle Club. Manny's also got he's got a great business, MC Photography. Make sure you go check him out on Instagram. If you need any video, any photography, man, you gotta hit him up. He does amazing work. Make sure you go check him out. All right, Mr. Cycle Fanatic. So you think Nadal's Street Glide can beat my GS? Come on, bro. Are you kidding me? We're gonna see if Mr. Nadal wants to play. All right, Steve, that was for you. Bye-bye, senior. Got Georgie right there. Look how nice that bike looks. There he goes. There he... Nice lineup this morning. Beautiful bike, man. All right, we'll catch you fellas once we get to the Wawa. Check out the rest of the crew. All right, we are rolling out. You got the crew in full effect. We got the 360 right behind Mr. Senior's beast of a bike. Give you a nice different view today. All right, here we go. Mr. Holy Shift. How you doing, Mr. Dave? I'm going to show you all these bikes. Look at this thing.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
Good, good. Saul, he wants to know you.
Hey, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing, man?
Very good.
Wow, look at that.
Oh,
That is beautiful.
But that's either way, it's a nice ride through here now.
A lot of bikes here today. Look at that thing. Oh, that is very cool. Oh, that's your next one?
Look at that.
My first time seeing a Moto Guzzi. Wow. That looks awesome. Look at this thing. This is my next Ducati right here. You're going to see this on the FLY&RIDE
So
channel.
come and see what it's so. This Ducati is like so fast because they actually used a really, really fast engine. Look at this. Look at the engine. Now you
Look at this, man. And he's got the matching race helmet for it, too.
We should do a video when we all go test drive Vespas.
I know. That'll be fun. Those are fun, man. So this is the bike that Glenn likes.
That's the SXSE. That's the touring one. That's the one I want.
Wow.
What's up, buddy? Nice bike.
Look at this. Look at this thing.
Is that the SE model?
Wow. What's up, man? How you doing, man? It's good to see you, brother. How you been? Check it out.
He did my 30-30.
Check it out.
He did my stage
He's got an awesome, awesome shop. Make sure you go check him out. He did?
New shirts.
How you doing, man? FNR. How you doing?
Shirts in stock.
I've seen this, yeah. Mr. Marlboro Kid with the what's the number?
And we
Got our new Flex Fit trucker hats
Very cool.
in stock.
Now, where can we buy these if you want? At your
You
website
can
or?
contact us on Instagram. It's
Okay.
torque_custom_cycle.
There you go.
Or just come to the shop.
All right, awesome. Make sure you go check them out. I still have to go out and
Yeah,
spend some
I
time
love-
there for
I love
sure.
this.
Yeah.
I love
Very
this.
cool. Very cool.
I sold the mock-up.
Oh, freaking beautiful.
This is the fastest bike out.
This is.
This will smoke the Hayabusa.
Ah,
This will smoke
Really?
the That's a Hayabusa, I think. So
Yeah.
this is the fastest motorcycle production.
Conditioning or a radio?
Awesome, awesome. Oh, look at this, man. I love this bike. Woo. That is beautiful. I love it. I love this look, man. It's just so traditional to me.
But look, everything's black. There's
Everything's
not one,
black.
only the white walls. That's it.
That's amazing. I think this is wow. All right, we're gonna grab some grub.
Look at that. Hey, buddy. What's going on? All right, you got to get off the bike, man, because you're going to go flying. There you go. Okay. He wants to hang out on the bike. Here you go. There you go. It's good luck. Praying mantis. So hopefully you enjoyed, again, some of the cool bikes and breakfast footage. Had a great time just catching up with a bunch of subscribers. Appreciate all of you. Thanks for tuning in and for watching. Thanks for coming out. So a few of us are breaking out. We're gonna go underneath the George Washington Bridge. Take some nice get some nice scenery. It's getting nice and warm out. Again, do me a favor, if you're liking this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Do yourself a favor. If you've never ridden this bike, just go out and rent one. It is just one of the most funnest bikes I've ever ridden. All right, Palisades Interstate Park. Let's check this place out. I don't think I've ever taken you down this way before. So I know I've been to this place before, but not via this route. We're gonna end up, I think, right underneath the George Washington Bridge. All right, the GWB is further back. I thought I was gonna end up there, but no, we gotta go further down to see the GWB. We're gonna see it back here on the right. I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, the GWB is way up there. Manny's gonna send up the drone. Yeah, Nadal's gonna get on his yacht right over here. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Check out this freaking awesome view. The boys are hanging out there just talking. Look at that view right there. Oh, you just cannot beat that. This is what it's all about. Do me a favor, if you're liking this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.